Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace power steering pump on 2010 GMC Acadia, updated. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable and wearing safety glasses. Next, jack the vehicle securely and remove the front wheel for access. Drain the power steering fluid into a container and remove the serpentine belt with a tensioner tool. Lay out parts in order and label hoses so reassembly is straightforward and efficient. Start by loosening the high and low pressure lines at the pump and capping them to keep dirt out. Support the pump with one hand and remove the mounting bolts with the correct sockets. Carefully pull the pump free and set it on a clean cloth to avoid spills. If the pulley needs transfer, use a proper puller tool and keep track of any shims or spacers for correct alignment during reassembly. Position the replacement pump and loosely thread the mounting bolts to ensure correct alignment before tightening. Reattach the high and low pressure lines and torque them to the specified values to prevent leaks. Reinstall the serpentine belt and refill the reservoir with the correct power steering fluid. Bleed the system by turning the wheel lock to lock several times with the engine running until fluid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.